Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage color space settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here, let's click it again and go over to the color. Now here we will have the color space and we can change it to sRGB, as you guys can see. Now the Rec 709, and here we have the HDR, EBU, now DCI, SMTIC, and here we have the general. So I always use either the general or the sRGB. It's totally up to your preference, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.